And our counseling department, they offer these resources, they offer this list to our students and our parents. We are having one of our School Health Advisory Council meetings. The topic for today was substance abuse prevention and suicide prevention. This is geared mainly to parents. We can involve community members, teachers, students are welcome to be part of the School Health Advisory Council. We learned a lot today, that there's a lot of questions still from parents. I came up with a panel of individuals, right, that I consider experts within our own district that would be helpful for the parents to gain a little bit of education and at the same time allow parents to ask a lot of questions, which they did. What are we seeing here within our community? It's great to see that everyone is trying to do their part. What really inspired and motivated me today was just seeing like the different departments, how we all work together, which is to provide that assistance to a student. And we know that we can count on each other.